She snores like a human.
She snores like your daddy. Damn. She has her mouth open. Look at her.
She is a human trapped in a dog's body.
I swear, she just laid on her back and started snoring. She went out. Halo Rain. Halo.
Princess.
Halo.
Princess.
Halo. Halo Rain.
Hey, you.
Hi, you're snoring.
Very loudly.
Damn! Her eyes went to rolling her in the back of her head and she started it again. Look at her face.
Hi, baby.
I say give her a minute to do it again. Oh, we're fading. Oh, we're fading. Eyes are starting to roll. She's snoring with her eyes open. It's creepy. You can see her eyes rolling. Oh my God, close your eyes.